As mentioned in the previous slides, frequency, PRI, an antenna repetition pattern, can change over time. For pulse repetition interval, we could define fixed, slight linear, slight sync, stagger, jitter, and much more. Therefore, for fixed PRI, pulses are regularly distributed when received. For linear and sync, pulses are distributed accordingly. So please consider taking your time and redrawing these schematics. Now it's time for the antenna repetition pattern over time. We have here locked, conical, circular, and sectoral as examples. Okay. So firstly, locking. Imagine this situation. Here we track a target, a thread, aligning the antenna or sensor to it. The output ideally should be pulses with the same amplitude in time, considering the target as at a constant distance. In addition, we could classify here also conical, circular, and sectoral patterns. As it is depicted, the amplitude of the received pulses changes accordingly when the receiving sensor is aligned to the target maximum amplitude, for example. All these patterns depend on the area to cover, mission, or the thread, also on our own antenna capabilities, for example, mechanical or electrical steering capability. Could be two-dimensional, three-dimensional axis rotors, or phase arrays, electronical phase arrays. So, following with radar concepts, here we have an introduction of the following chapters of the course. This is related to ESM and radar warning systems, support measurement systems. As mentioned before, supporting measurements are meant for gathering threat information and responding accordingly to that. So here we have two groups, ESM and radar warning. The first one, gathering accurate location and therefore direction finding capability. With regards to the radar warning, this one is meant for fast and rough estimations, typically location and distance estimation. So in addition, typical pulse characteristics that ESM can measure are frequency carrier, amplitude, angle of arrival, time of arrival, PRI, pulse width, scan type and rate, antenna beam width. Moreover, on the right side, we have depicted a typical signal processing schematic for ESM radar warning. Firstly, we have the sensors, antennas, then the interleaving of pulses and measuring process. Then we have signal characterization, direction finding, and correlating with ELINT database. Remember, ELINT or electronic intelligence is a more accurate, precise, but a slower system in terms of operating time. Then results are recorded, displayed, and communicated to the response system. Example, countermeasuring with a jammer or chaff.